In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Loop Hack, copy pages between workspaces. Start by opening Microsoft Loop in your browser and sign in. Once you're in, head to the workspace that contains the page you want to reuse. You'll see your pages listed in the left-hand navigation. Click the page you want to work with so it opens fully and you can see its title at the top. Now look for the three dots menu next to the page title. This menu is where Loop hides most page-level actions. Click it and you'll see an option called Add to Workspace. Select that. A picker appears with the workspaces you can access. Choose the destination workspace where you want this page to appear. If you don't see a workspace, it usually means you don't have access to it yet, so make sure you're a member before trying again. When you add the page to another workspace, Loop doesn't make a second copy. Instead, it creates a linked page in that destination which mirrors the original. You'll notice a small link icon on the page to indicate that it's connected. Think of this as a single source of truth that can live in multiple places. It's ideal when multiple teams need to reference and contribute to the exact same content without worrying about version drift. From this point on, any edits made on the original page or on the linked page update the same underlying content. If someone adjusts text, tasks, or components in one place, those changes instantly show up everywhere the page is linked. This is powerful for cross-workspace alignment and keeps everyone on the same page, literally. If you need a standalone copy that won't sync with the original, you have another option in that same three dots menu: Duplicate. Choose Duplicate to create a truly independent copy of the page. This copy includes all the content and components but is no longer tied to the source. Edits you make in the duplicate won't affect the original, and changes to the original won't flow into your copy. This path is great for using an existing page as a template, experimenting with new ideas, or creating variations for different teams without impacting shared content. To wrap up, use Add to Workspace when you want one living document accessible in multiple workspaces, complete with a link icon, and real-time updates everywhere. Use Duplicate when you need a clean break and a separate page you can modify freely. Choose the approach that best matches whether you want synchronization or independence, and you'll keep your loop work organized and efficient across workspaces.